In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Behance views. If you want more eyes on your portfolio, it starts with how you present your work and extends to how you show up across the platform and beyond. Begin by building high-quality, long-form project presentations. Think of each project as a mini case study. Lay out the problem, your approach, and the final results in a clear sequence. Use compelling, high-resolution visuals that are crisp and consistent, and pair them with short, informative captions so viewers understand what they're seeing without guessing. Give each project an engaging, searchable title that includes the core subject and discipline, like brand identity for a boutique coffee roaster, rather than something vague. Strong titles help your work surface in search and curated areas. Next, boost visibility with 10 to 15 relevant tags. Keep them specific to the project's discipline, industry, and style. In addition to those tags, add relevant keywords and include the tools you actually used, such as Photoshop or Illustrator, so your projects can appear in curated galleries and search results when people filter by software or technique. Aim for accuracy over quantity to avoid looking spammy. Before you publish, make sure your profile looks professional. Use a clear, friendly photo, write a concise bio that states what you do and what you are interested in, and add links to your website or social media. A polished profile increases credibility and helps potential clients or collaborators learn more about you quickly. Engage with the community regularly, show appreciation for work you genuinely like, and leave thoughtful, specific comments that mention what stands out to you. This builds relationships, encourages reciprocal engagement, and helps you become a recognizable, positive presence on the platform. Don't keep your projects siloed on Behance. Share your project links on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter to bring in a wider audience. Provide a short context or takeaway when you post, so people know why they should click through to view the full presentation. If you have a Behance Pro membership, consider using Project Boost. It lets you target specific audiences to increase visibility, putting your work in front of people more likely to appreciate it. Finally, post frequently. A regular schedule keeps your portfolio fresh and gives viewers a reason to return. Consistency compounds over time, and each new project becomes another entry point for discovery. Apply these steps, and you'll set yourself up for steady, meaningful growth. Thanks for watching.